This video is brought to you by Errecom, a trades-only platform helping you find the right job or the right candidate. Errecom, best in trade. What's up, guys? I want to show you a couple of products today. The first one here is called Chinook. I'm going to do a demo on this product during this video, my very first time trying it, okay, during this video. And what this is it's a filter cleaner for, let's say, washable filters you pull out of VRVs, ductless splits. Instead of washing them with water, you would use this because it actually kills microbial and bacteria, and it reduces any odors that might come from an AC because of the filter having these contaminants and bacteria growing on the filter. The other product I'm going to show you is Brilliant Remover. It's a fluorescent UV dye remover. So if you spill fluorescent dye as you're adding it to a system, or if it gets spewed out as you pull your gauges off or something like that, if you're not careful and have an accident, this is what this product is for. I haven't had a chance to demo this one yet or try it, but it is available, and it's by Errecom as well. So Cool Air Products, the same people that brought you Smart Seal, AC Smart Seal, is carrying this stuff in North America, and I'm going to do a demo on it in this video. And the instructions state that you pull the filter out. If it's got dust on it, just give it a tap just to get rid of some of that excessive dust. Spray this on it and then let it dry, basically, is how it goes. But the filters in the video, when I pull them out, they're 6 months old, okay? And they have a coating of dust that's on them. Now, what I suggest, if the filter has been in there for a year, 2 years, 3 years, and it's totally covered and saturated with dirt, you might have to rinse it or blow it out with compressed air first, and then you would use this product after to kill the bacteria and microbial growing on the filter. So let's get to the demo. All right, so I'm gonna try out some of this Chinook air conditioning filter cleaner. Now it's for washable filters, like in a ductless split. Now I got a bunch here I'm gonna clean with it. They're not extremely dirty, but you can see there's a layer of dust in there. Now, it's supposed to kill microbial and also bacteria and mold and that off the filter. So I'm going to give them a spray and see how it goes. Okay, so here's one I haven't cleaned yet, and on the right angle there you can see the dust accumulation on the filter. And if I take one that I have cleaned, it looks pretty good. Now, there is a scent. It's like almost like a fabric softener smell, and it does dissipate after a bit. So I sprayed this one a few minutes ago, and the smell's kind of dissipated off of this one, but it's like a fresh fabric softener scent. It's not irritating, and it's almost like a neutral kind of smell. So that's it, guys. Chinook air conditioning filter cleaner. Like I said, it's to treat bacteria, microbial on these indoor washable filters, like on ductless splits and VRFs and that. Happy HVAC, guys.